The ribbon just turned. That's what that O was. It wasn't the system giving a sale, but it was the ribbon turning, which you can do either way. But this right here is the freaking truth.
Man, it
So
looks, it
you
looks.
now it will be waiting, which we all know, sit on our hands, right? And then it will be some thinking, my God, I'm leaving so much money on the table because the queen's telling you to wait. Okay. If you go and she's saying wait, it won't be long before you figure out why she was telling you to wait.
Yeah, yeah. What happened? I just lost 255 this morning. What happened? I took the trade and I went to sleep.
Oh God.
And I woke up, I was like, oh my goodness, let me get
You
out of this.
you
Because
had
it
been
said going south, going south. I looked at it and I took it, but I didn't, it was in the consolidation column, but it was so early because I get especially for the gold one come at me like 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. So, I just take the trade because, I've been being consistent. And then I messed around and went to sleep, got up, down 255. I was like, oh my God.
so okay, so hold on. Let me try that again. She's trying to get on. Had you been in profit and then it did back up?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Yeah.
I was
I
kicking myself.
started this because I was gonna give y'all an extra entry confirmation for your Queen's Path. And
Hmm.
then so when I was testing it before I released it, I was just using the ribbon. I wasn't using it with the path because I wanted to test the ribbon. And then
Okay.
I was like, holy shit. So if I add, this is like a pretty kick-ass system. So
Hmm.
let me close it right here. If you've noticed on your settings right here, the Queen's Command Center right here, you can
Hmm.
move it from the top right to the top left to the bottom right to the bottom, middle, whatever, wherever it's not going to be in your way.
Okay, question. How do I
Uh-huh.
get that? Do I go out on is
Do
it
you not
under
have the, do you not have the, are you doing the Queen, are you saying the Queen Unleashed futures on your,
Queen?
in your invite only?
No. In my invite only, the
Yeah.
latest one I have is 4.1 Protect the King.
Okay, well, hold on. Let me find it. Oh, because I thought I added you this morning. What is your trading view username?
Let me double check because I know
Oh,
Blessed Life
you know
with
what?
Y.
Whoever that wealth raider is.
You want to go back? Let me see it. Let me
Okay,
get
okay.
blessed. How
Is that
many?
it? Blessed life.
How many? I can't see that. It
B
B
L
L
E
E
S
S
S.
S E D L Y L F E. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Log out and log back in. Hey, Natasha. You can
Okay.
unmute, honey. Log out of your trading view and log back in.
Doing it right now.
Hey, darling, do you know your trading view username?
Yes, it's my
Okay.
first and last name.
Okay.
It, Nita is Natoshia, then my last name, Elley.
Okay.
What
I'll
is
go
it?
ahead and add you. Okay. So are you still doing Forex?
Yes, I am. I am.
Okay. Okay.
Now,
Okay. Now, are you interested in making the switch over to futures?
yeah, but I don't know nothing about them.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool because it's really no different than Forex. Let me give Wendy the link here because for some of them, let me see. The only difference in Forex and futures is that over in futures we are doing contracts, where in Forex we do lot size. That's really honest to God the only difference.
Okay.
But on Tuesday and Thursday nights, we're
Tuesdays and
going to be
Thursdays.
doing because you don't have to know how to trade to use the system. You just have to know how to use the system. But we are going to be doing on Tuesday and Thursday nights at this time, we're going to be doing a fundamentals to futures. And that is just going to be like how to connect your broker to TradingView, how to use the TradingView platform, just the things that you would need to know because you don't have to know how to trade to
Okay.
use the system. So,
But I
um,
still can use the system on Forex,
you
coin,
can.
what you sent me.
Uh-huh. If it has a chart on TradingView, you can use it.
On anything, stocks and anything,
Mm-hmm.
right? Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Let's see. It's populating. Crypto on the weekend. See, here it is on Tesla on stocks.
God, I must have forgot my password. It's making me reset.
Here it is on Forex, on Euro USD. It works on if it has got a chart on TradingView, it'll work. So, but right now we're focused on. But so on Tuesday and Thursday nights, we'll be doing that just to kind of help people
Okay.
that don't know how. So, this is hello iPhone. What's your name? Who's
Hi,
your daddy? Uh-huh.
hi, it's Dawn.
Well, hey girl, you made it. Good. Okay, good. Good, good, good. So we're gonna do features.
What
Yes.
night gonna be on?
Okay, so I'm gonna do Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. And we did get a sale and I took it and it happened right at 7 o'clock. Um, however, it was just a ribbon switch sale, which is a little bit more risky than waiting for the queen to tell you to go. I went because the 1 and 5 was aligned, but as you can see, the 15, the 30, and the hour, they're all going sideways. So this was risky. And then on Tuesdays and Thursdays nights, Wendy is going to do a class that is kind of like an introduction to futures with the system. So, like the little things that y'all need to know, she's going to help you with, and then how to use the trading view on the platform, and then any questions or answers, questions, concerns that you may have. But also, don't forget to bring your questions and concerns here because this is where we're going to make this the absolute best. Okay. So, Dawn, did you get to use the system any this week since we got together last, was it Wednesday?
I did.
Okay, so how did you do?
Well, when I hit it, I wait for it and it says sell. Then I hit the sell and then it goes back to wait.
Okay, did you take a picture when that happened?
No, I will again.
Okay, yeah, do that next time because it all depends. See if you're 1, if you're 5, if you're 15, if you know if they're all the same color, you got
Yeah.
in and it's telling you to wait,
No, no, no. I wait for your signal
right?
and then
And
I'm in.
right here, down here where it tells you to either green or red to buy.
Right.
Okay,
I do that
okay,
trade and I'm not winning and it goes to wait.
okay.
What do
Okay.
I do?
Okay. Well, it's going to tell you underneath, that's going to tell you why are you waiting? Because like right now, even though it went in profit, the 15 and 30 minute is not aligned. So it's kind of waiting for that. So you probably, if you're getting in when it says red and then it tells you to wait and you're already in, just hold it.
Okay.
Because what it's telling, when it does that, it means you're too late for the entry before. But if you got it when it said that, just hold it. Now you got your stop loss and your trailing stop on the chart, right? Okay. Are you doing micros or are you doing
I'm just doing paper trading. I was
paper trade? Okay. So are you on micro pairs or regular pairs? One
I was
one contract.
like with just one contract.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool. I love you.
When it
What?
says wait, go. If it says wait, it goes back to wait.
Just hold what you got. If you got in when it was saying greener, that's for people that didn't get in there. That may have that turned it on late and it said, "Oh, well, 15 minutes ago it said sale." Well, now it's telling you to wait because it's going to wait for all the confirmations for you to let me move this back. Hold on, sorry.
All the colors match up one color.
Yeah. And then
See what happens is then it never something happens and I'm
okay.
not.
That's why it's real important when that happens. I want you to take a picture of the chart.
Mhm.
Okay. So especially down here so I can see the time that it happened. Okay, and then we can figure out why that happened to you. Okay? That's very important. So, are you getting into profit at all?
Yeah,
Okay.
but that goes. Should I get out right away? I mean, I stay
Okay,
into.
so you're doing one contract. Maybe move to break even. Are you getting up $150 even?
Well, I can try to wait till 150.
Yeah, yeah. And then kind of just move it down a little bit and then try trailing it. Okay. So,
She gonna
hey
teach me
Reggie,
how
how
to
you
trade futures.
doing?
She gonna teach me how to trade futures.
I'm doing
Reggie,
well in your
good, good,
Christy.
good, good.
How are
Was you
you?
able to catch the replay from the first time?
I
You see
did. I watched it today.
Okay,
I'm
good. Okay,
actually
good. Have
trying
you
to
got
get
the
up,
signal?
okay. Okay. So have
so
you got to
hopefully
like
I'll
look
have that
around
on
or
my
play with
chart.
the system any at all?
I haven't played with it at all.
Okay.
I watched, as a matter of fact, I didn't know it took watching the first session today to see all of what this is. So now I'm eager to play, but I've got
Yeah.
to get it on my chart.
Okay. Okay. Now, we did put it on your trading view, didn't we?
You gave me access. That's what I'm looking for, that email right now,
Okay.
so I
It,
can
it
put this on
should.
my chart.
It should, when you log into trading view, you should be able to go over here to indicators, and there should be an invite only section, and you should see the Queen Unleashed over here.
I see Queen Unleashed Futures.
That's it.
Okay.
And that will put it on your chart.
Now, all I did was click on it. Oh, okay. There it goes.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. So, like I was explaining, okay, this Queen's Command Center.
Hey, Misty, I'm going to mute myself back
Okay.
out. Before I do I take off I don't need my
You don't.
Queen's Path anymore?
No, not when you're using this.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. You just answered my question.
Well, the ribbon part that I was coding to give y'all extra confirmation for entries. But like I was telling Leonard, when I was testing it before I gave it to y'all for the entries on the 3.0, I was using it by itself. And I was like, holy cow. So then I just kind of got a download about this command center because y'all know it's always been my dream for the world to be able to trade without knowing how to trade, And this Queen's Command Center is the absolute truth, okay? So there are alerts that you can set up here. Now, me being me, you click alerts, then you're going to select the trading system, okay? And this is why you have to have the essentials like the basic $14.95 a month package. Because if you don't, you can't set alerts. I couldn't do anything about that. But like set an alert for the ribbon turned north. The interval is going to be the same as the chart you set it on. So if you're on the 5-minute chart setting it, that's what it's gonna do. Okay. Let's see. I do once per bar because this is going to trigger it every time the conditions met. If you do it once only, it's going to you're gonna have to reset it every time. Let's see. And then down here, notify an app, because if y'all have it, the app TradingView downloaded to your phone. I mean, you can trade on your phone, but you're also going to get the alerts to your phone. So you don't have to sit here and watch the computer all the time anymore. You either got your alerts going off where you can hear them in your house, or you've got them going off to your cell phone. Okay. This toast notification, that is like if you're on another screen or something working, it'll pop up down here in the left hand corner too. And you'll hear your computer. So to play sound, for me, north is the queen and south is the king. And then so anytime I set an alert north, I come down here and I'll click play sound. And I just think it's funny. Under voices, there's a, so I always set that for north. So anytime I'm in the house and I hear the queen go, well, I know like the queen's going north. I need to go see what she's doing. So then apply. Okay. And then create. So you have got that alert created. So then you do have to create a second alert. So you're going to come under condition. You're going to pick our trading system again. We've already done one for north. So now we have to do one for south. Same as chart, 5-minute. I play on the 5-minute. Trigger once per bar. And then down here, notify an app. And then so in my mind, south is the king. So you'll have to click play sound. I go under voices and then
Oh,
so then anytime I hear the king say, oh, and I'm in my house, I know the king's headed north. I need to go take a look at things and see what's going on. Okay. That is with these ribbon twists, which hell, you can pretty much play with the ribbon twist on their own. We'll start over here. Okay. So the orange is what we call strategizing, which means the queen's indecision. She doesn't know what the hell which way she's going to go. The same thing that traders call consolidation. We don't trade, we play a game, so it's strategizing, right? So that's kind of a warning area. If you're in a play, go ahead and secure your bag, bring your stop loss up. And if you was thinking about re-entering, that is not the time. But as you can see, I come out of this orange down here where the queen didn't know what the hell she was doing. She flipped north. Okay. She strategized one candle and then she went north again. She strategized. She went north. She strategized. Here she flipped. You can see. Let me see if I can spread it or bigger where y'all can see. Right here, she strategized, but then she flipped to south. Got an alert south, and she strategized for a good little minute, and she flipped north again. And what time was that this morning? Right at opening. So she'll hit a good move at opening, and then she'll strategize, and then it's usually like she'll strategize about an hour, she'll move a little over an hour, and then she'll strategize, but you can just about trade by the ribbon flips. Okay, now the system will give you plays every now and then that are take profit, stop loss. Okay, so let's just say flip, but she didn't give a north yet. Now, let me skip this while we're in motion. Right over here is your Queen's Command Center. This Queen's Heartbeat, the system is going to check the direction on all of these time frames all at the same time. Okay? That way you ain't got to be going back from chart to chart. What is it doing? What is it doing? It's going to tell you. Okay? Now, you have got every time frame is headed north. But the Queen's Command down here, by all means, you should be able to go ahead and buy. Queen's Command's telling you to wait. It'll tell you why underneath. The north trend is confirmed. It's waiting for one more confirmation inside the system to give you a buy. On paper, I think. We'll just see. I'll get in a little early on paper trading. Okay. This right here is your Queen's News Guard. We won't have any more red folder news till I think maybe tomorrow. I need to check it and make sure it's running with the news. If there are red USD reports coming up, they will appear right here. The next event, it'll tell you CPI or farmers payroll, and it'll tell you how long until that hits. Okay, an hour, 27 minutes, and then it'll count down. This whole system was based, kind of coded towards a $50,000 prop firm. And the prop firms don't want us trading during news. If you have a challenge or you're with a prop firm, well, Take Profit Trader does it. You'll get an email telling you prohibited trade times today, that at such and such time, this red folder report is coming out and do not trade during this period. So the Queen's News Guard is going to tell you red folder events coming up. Okay. And see, we didn't get that. We didn't get the fresh 1 minute north. Okay. That's why it's telling you to wait. This is a prime example why you wait for the system to tell you to go. Because more times than not, if you don't, and it's sitting on our hands, guys. And that's been the biggest mistake the whole time trading. It's feeling like you got to open up a chart, get in a play, and this system wants to wait for the absolute perfect setup. Okay. So back to the alerts. Even though it's paper trading, I ain't around this. Put it right there. Okay. We set an alert for the ribbon twist. Okay. And that way you know when the ribbon twists. So now let's look at what else. Okay. Go to your system. Now, what we're wanting is we want to know, when is the Queen commanding go north? The Queen's command, go north. Set an alert for that. 5 minutes, once per bar, meaning you won't have to reset it every time it goes off. And it's whatever for your comfortability. In my mind, north, no matter what, is always going to be the Queen. So I just set mine both for the same sound. I'm going to come check them both times anyway. But what you are checking for the Queen to go north is, let me go ahead and apply that. And let me go ahead and set this alert. Okay, you are waiting for, let me look, see if I can pull it up. Can y'all see the Queen's command? I'll pull it over to okay. This is what y'all are waiting for. That part of the box, the Queen's command to tell you the Queen's saying, go north. North trend confirmed. Okay, so that's what we're setting an alert for right now when this happens. And the Queen's actually telling you to go. Okay. So we've got that alert set. So now we want to set another alert. Choose the system. This time we want the Queen's command. Go south. Same as chart, once per bar. And like I said, south in my mind is always the king. So I'm going to set it to the same thing. So now you've got alerts set for the ribbon twist and for your Queen's command. And then you could go on about your day. You can either be listening for your computer or you can have it on your phone, whatever. So now when the Queen gives the command, you either go north or go south, then your Royal Trade Manager comes into effect. Now, when she gives that command, it's going to put stop loss. It's going to put 3 take profits on your screen. Okay, so you can put your numbers in your trade thing. But it's also going to monitor it. I'm kind of working with the trail stop a little bit because I want it to move a little bit sooner than it is. Okay, but you're going to have your protect. That's going to be your stop loss. You're going to have TP1, TP2, and TP3 on your chart. And then this is your defend. Your defend is secure your bag, okay? And this number is going to move, okay? And then you just play it out. Yet it's that easy. You don't have to know price action. You don't have to know support and resistance. You don't have to know market structure. You don't have to know the previous daily highs and lows and the flags and the inverted bat wings and all that crap because it's all literally coded into the system. And she is going to wait until you got a damn near perfect play before she's going to tell you to go north or south. So a lot of it is waiting. Because see, as you can see right now, you got your 1 and your 5 minute. They're going south. 15's going straight across, but your 30 minute and your hour is still going north. It's just a big, nothing's confluent right now. And that's why the Queen's telling you to wait. So does anybody have any questions so far?
Yes, you said a minute ago when all of those were green, but the command was still to wait. You
Right.
said you can enter those or you can wait, or
If you want to
it
be
sounds like
really
it's
nilly,
better wait.
you can practice taking them,
Okay.
securing a bag, and see how far you get. But as you can see, the Queen was telling you to wait because it was waiting for 1 more minute confirmation on the north. She's telling you why she's waiting. And you see, you didn't get that. So you never got to go north. And you'd have been glad you waited because it went south again. Do you see what I'm saying?
Yes, yes, I see that.
And so, yeah. So I mean, you can do whatever you want, but it's best to wait. But like I said,
So
sometimes
Misty,
I'll take it.
when
If
I
it's trending.
change, oh, I'm sorry, when I
Go ahead.
change charts, does the Queen's heartbeat, does it automatically change with the chart?
Yes, and it also changes. It adapts to the dollar amount of that pair. So, like, just say like S&P is like $12.50 a tick, and then just say you
Mhm.
go down to gold, it's like $10 a tick. It automatically recalculates everything that it's telling you. So, another thing that I may be working on a little bit with is the stop loss because what I have it coded for would be like the previous swing low. But it's also coded to not blow a $50,000 account. And if the previous swing low is too much for the rules on a $50,000 account, it's not going to give you that play, but you'll notice a ding down here and it will tell you go to MES1, stop loss 98, meaning there is a play here. It's too heavy for regular, go to micros. $98. That's one thing that one of the many things that I like about it. It will tell you go to micros. If the
Can
stop
I
loss,
not use this for Forex?
you sure
That
can.
part's neat. I
Yeah,
love that part.
you love that part. Yeah, oh yeah. If like I was telling Natasha, if it has a chart on TradingView, it works. See, like so here it is on Euro USD, and just like before, now you got a north on every single one of them.
Mhm.
Wayne's telling you to wait. Your north trend is confirmed, but is wanting to wait on that fresh 1 minute north signal. Okay. Yeah.
Show me where it's
But
saying to wait at.
okay, this is the play is active. Go north was active. It activated here. Okay.
Mhm.
And there is your first victory, your second victory, and your third. 1, 2, or 3 take profit. Okay. So then what it did is it went up and it dipped. So now, well, it just went go north. So you got a fresh 1 minute north, and it's telling you to go north. You see this Queen's Command Center? Yeah, the trend is confirmed. You can go north. And then here is your stop loss. 60-42, that's a $95 risk. And TP1 is 1-to-1. TP2 is 2-to-1. And 3 is 3-to-1. Okay. Okay. But for those that didn't get in on that candle, and when it told you to go north again, see it's got another candle, and now it's telling you to wait because your trend's not confirmed anymore. Do you see right here in the Queen's command? She will guide you through here. And all of this play was the one that was given back here when it was telling you to go north. Which I don't know on Forex. I forget. It's been so long what time frame you use. But I like the 5-minute pretty well. Crypto is Bitcoin against the US dollar. It works on everything. Okay. Natasha, did you get into the group? Is she still with us? I need to make sure everybody in here is okay. Let's see. Pending invitations. Natasha?
Can you hear me, Coach?
Yeah, I can hear you now. It says you have not. I'm gonna resend this. Check your spam and your promo folder.
Send it to my Gmail because I can't access my
Okay,
Yahoo.
let's do that. Okay, hold on. Let me do that. Hold on. Let me find.
I bought a new phone, so I'm having some problems getting back
Okay,
in my
okay.
email.
Let's do that. What is your Gmail?
My first and last name, NATOSZEY @gmail.com.
All right, let's do this. Add. I'm going to. Okay, and let's go to the group. Is everybody in here in the group?
Which group are you referring to? They're on system.io?
The Queen Unleashed Futures?
Yes, I'm in that community.
And that, okay.
Misty, so
Mhm.
if I see the lines come up on my screen that
Mhm.
show defend the kingdom, first victory, so forth and so
Mhm.
on, those are my stop loss, break
Okay.
evens. I mean, and my
Mhm.
TPs. How do I that's just on my screen? I went
Right.
to
Okay,
gold,
so
I
let
put it
me
on
show
the
y'all.
5-minute chart,
Okay,
and
let
that's
me.
up there.
Okay.
That's not for me to take an active trade right now. So do I have an option to like move that until it gives me a fresh signal or anything?
It will stay on until a new signal comes.
Okay.
Well, it will stay on your chart.
So
Now,
that means that it has called a trade if I see those lines. Okay.
Where am I at? Am I now?
We got
Can
the
I?
original Queen of Futures Mastery Institute and the Throne Room, but I don't have
Yeah,
to.
okay, I need to.
What?
I need to make sure you have. Let me see if I can. See, I thought, okay, I'm gonna resend your invitation. Check your spam and your promo folder.
Okay, I'll go check.
Okay. Okay, let's do this. Let's go. Home in the group. Okay.
Got it. It was in my spam.
Spam, but see, I don't know why. Yeah, okay. So check your spam folder. It does that. I don't know why. So okay, that's cool. Dave's really smart.
All right, I just took a trade
Okay.
and it was all green in the north. Okay, said wait, but I'm just paper trading, playing around. And I made like 190,
Say a good job.
but it still, since it was all green, I kept it. Is that all right? I shouldn't have probably done that because it did say wait, but right.
Mm-hmm.
But doing
Wait.
it because it's green. Is that all right?
Yes, you made $190. That's fine. Okay. Cool.
That's the cool part of the system is you have so many different ways that you can use it to tailor to what what you're used to and what you like and how it works well for you.
So our north trend is confirmed. Waiting for a fresh 1 minute north. Okay. And then for those of y'all that aren't that familiar with TradingView, your candle timer is right here. There is 3 minutes and 44 seconds left on this candle. Hell, I may put a candle timer in the command center. That's something I could think about. All right. And then over here, hold on, somewhere. I'm going to put a question mark by that candle timer. So while your north trend is confirmed, if you didn't get in here, it's telling you to wait till we get a fresh. It's watching the 1 minute chart now, so you don't have to. So when it gets a 1 minute on the 1 minute chart gets a north, it's going to tell you can enter. That's your sniper entries. Let's see. Oh, I was going to show y'all if I can find it. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, there's gonna be our classes with Wendy. We'll get you a link. There is the recording to the first meetup. Okay, down here, beta journal. Okay. I guess y'all can copy it and put it in your browser. Okay. When y'all play the game, I want y'all to fill this out. Okay. Day of the week. What did you trade? And then mark your log everything. Okay. When you took that play, was the Queen's command go north, go south, or did you take a play during the wait? Okay. When you took an entry, what was your heartbeat telling you? Okay. Clock all this data so that when we get together on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, we can go over it. Okay. So, for y'all that don't know how to take a screenshot on your computer, down here in this lower search bar to the left, you're going to type snipping tool. And like mine is right here. Okay. And then it is going to, I don't know. Okay. It's going to pop something like this up on your screen. Make sure that the camera is selected and then new. Okay. And then you got your cursor. You just kind of left click and pull it till that part of your screen is lit up. And then there's your screenshot. You can save it to your downloads or whatever. Okay. So that way I know what's going on your chart at that time. Okay. What happened during your play?
Also, I noticed on my tablet, because I have my tablet a lot of times when I'm looking, and my tablet itself has a little screenshot button.
Oh, cool. If you guys see anything that is glitchy, write it down so that we can discuss it and I can look and make sure, that it's not something, something that needs to be fixed. Would there been anything that made this trade easier for you? And then as always, I always want you to check your emotions while you're trading because you should not have any emotions. And then if you take more than one trade, I think there's enough for like 3 a day. And then, is anything confusing? And then when we get together, y'all have your data that I can process. And if there needs to be any adjustments to the system, we can do that. And it'll be a near perfect system for you guys.
Misty? Okay, I've got a question.
Okay.
It sounds like the ribbon strategy is somewhat outside of the normal parameters of the heartbeat and command. So with the ribbon twist, we're being, it appears to me to be a little more risky.
Right.
And we're taking those trades, not waiting on the command, but as soon as we witness or we set a alert for the ribbon twist.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
I think I may try that one.
Okay.
It is risky, but there's a lot of opportunities.
There is, and then if you stop your knob too many times, then go back to the rules.
Okay.
That's funny. That's true though. I think I'm going to try some ribbon twist too, but I just have to remember, since it's on prop, to make sure I'm in there long enough to not make a dinghy against myself.
Right.
Because like on Spectator, you have to be in for a certain amount of time, or else it doesn't count. They don't like that.
Right.
So I just always set a timer on my phone.
Right. Natasha, honey, did you get into the group?
Coach, what'd you say?
Did you get into the group on System.io? Into the
While we've been on Zoom, I haven't went into the Gmail yet.
Okay. Check your spam folder because I sent Wendy's at the same time and it went to spam.
Okay, let me go check.
Mine again.
So
go check mine. This is Dawn.
Okay.
Gmail.
Oh, let's see. A bunch of people couldn't find the class. Crap. I need to make something more. I do wish I could tag everything I can. And who else was asking? Oh, don't let me tag it right. Okay. I need that. It's in here. Oh. No, that's just something on my end. I guess I could pin it. There we go. Okay, there it is. Somewhere I've pinned it. I'm still learning the system too, a little bit. And then mine looks totally different from y'all, so but did you get the invite, Natasha?
Yes, I see.
Okay.
Let me see.
Okay, so can you log into System.io? Because if it's
I see Sovereign Queen for important your access to training, and then the one above it, Missy Timor has invited you to join. Which one? Missy Timor has invited you to join.
maybe invited you to join the Queen Unleashed Futures room.
Okay, invite you to join. It's this one right here. Is it click here to the community? Okay. Where do I go when I get there?
Are you on your phone?
Yes.
When you log in, maybe the 3 lines.
The
Of
3
course,
lines at the top.
if you see assets, it could be under assets. If you see community, it could be under community.
I see community.
Okay, it'll be under communities.
Open the Queen of Features Mastery Institute. Click here, open that up.
I think that's a course.
That's not it. Okay.
Yeah, it'll be a
Communities.
So,
The throne room, open.
okay, no, not, do you see the Queen Unleashed features? Not the throne room.
I'm gonna go back to
Okay.
communities. What I see here is the Queen of Features Mastery Institute, and then below it, the throne room. I only see 2.
Okay. And
Oh,
are you on your
there's only
Gmail?
2.
Are you on your Gmail?
Yes. Go
Oh,
back up.
all right. Let me send you another invite. Hold on.
Let me go back to Gmail.
Let's see.
And it is in the spam too.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get on with the support. Let's see.
Let's see what this one is.
Members, pending invitations. I'm gonna send it again. Dawn P1101 at Gmail. I'm gonna resend yours. It probably will go to spam.
Wait a minute. This one. Wait. Let me go back out of here. Try this one and see.
So she got that 1 minute
Why is it?
that she was looking for. So she gave you an enter here. I went ahead and entered, but now it's too late to enter that entry.
Are you on NAS?
I'm on ES1.
Oh, okay. I'm
So,
on
but
NAS
the
and it
North
gave.
Trend is still confirmed. But before it tells you to go again, like if you got in down here, you're good to hold. If you're in, you're good to hold. You know, maybe secure some profit if it takes you out, whatever. But and then it told us to go there and just say like I got in there, right? When it told you to go. Now it's telling you to wait because it's too late. And it wants to see it is telling you, yes, it is a confirmed north trend, but I want to give you a sniper entry. Let me wait for this 1 minute north. That way you don't get up here, end up here, and then it goes all the way down, and you're, oh my God, I'm losing, and freak out and get out, and then it goes the other way. And then just say, like, now it's $225 in profit. You guys don't be afraid to grab your stop loss and left click it and move it up a little bit past your entry. $7.50. No matter what, you ain't gonna lose no money. And then you can trail it up if it continues up. If it gets up to 300, just be like, well, I'll secure half of that. And then you can even trail it to your 5 minute candles, like this 5 minute candle just ended. And you might move your stop up to the top of that candle. That took me out. But yeah. Did you get the email, Natasha?
Coach, you want me to go and check again?
Yeah, check your spam. I need to make sure that you're
Okay, let me go back to Gmail. Okay. What I see is Sovereign Queen 4, important to access to training.
Okay.
Is it that one? The one above it, a whole separate I see Misty.
Is it one being like, and it's in your spam folder?
Yeah, everything is in the spam. Everything.
Okay. So just, I guess check the most 2 recents because you're looking for
Okay.
one with the invite to Queen of Futures room.
Okay. This one says here. Okay. Missy Timmer has invited you to join the Queen Unleash Features community.
Yes,
Let me
that
click that.
one.
I'm clicking that right now. Queen Unleash Features. Now, where do I go to accept the invite? I see it here.
Okay. Is there
It's
anything on in the email?
All I had to do was click the link, and then it took me straight over there.
I'm in the room, but it's
Okay.
I don't see where you click or let me see here. Let me check here. Search member name to join. Where do I join? I see okay, I see me as a member right here. Joined 5 minutes ago. It just says I joined 5 minutes
Okay.
ago.
So now when you log in and you go to your communities, you should see the Queen Unleashed Futures in your communities.
It says I joined. I'm a member. It says here.
Yep. Scalping. Yep. Get your money and get out.
That's basically what I was doing on my lunch breaks because I was
Uh-huh.
waiting for everything to line up good from 4 and then I was hopping in and getting what I needed to get and hopping out because I had to be done before I went back into work, so I wouldn't have to be stressing about it, even though it was all set up to do what it needed to do. But I'm still working on that control aspect.
All right, guys. So we will meet again. Well, y'all will meet with Wendy tomorrow night, the same time for any questions, and she's gonna start her fundamentals to futures. Y'all see me on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday nights. You'll see Wendy on Tuesdays and Thursday nights. Make sure I want screenshots of the wins too, and
What's it called to do the screenshot snippet?
snipping tool.
Okay.
So I'm going to go ahead and end this for tonight. I'm going to get it uploaded and get it in the community. But then y'all know if y'all need anything, y'all can reach out in the community, and we're here for you. Excited.
Enjoy the rest of your night.
All right, darling.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.